In this video, we'll show how to unbox and set up your Dell Silent Keyboard and Mouse KM555. To begin, tear the seal off and open the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Dell Silent Keyboard, Dell Silent Mouse, and a pack containing one AA battery, two AAA batteries, a quick start guide, and the warranty, safety, and regulatory document. The Dell Secure Link USB receiver can be found inside the mouse. Before using the Dell Silent Keyboard, install the batteries. To do this, turn over the keyboard and remove the cover. Insert the two AAA batteries and replace the cover. Press the keyboard feet to open and extend it. Before using the mouse, install the battery. To do this, pry open the cover and insert the AA battery. Remove the USB receiver if you want to pair your keyboard and mouse using the USB receiver with your computer. Align the cover and snap it into place. Now you're ready to pair your keyboard and mouse with your computer. You can pair your keyboard and mouse using the USB receiver or with Bluetooth through the Smart Connect feature. Now, let's pair your keyboard and mouse using your USB receiver. Connect the USB receiver to a USB-A port on your computer. Slide the power switch on your keyboard to the right to turn it on, and turn the mouse over and then slide the power switch to turn it on. The connection mode LED 1 on the keyboard and mouse turn on for 30 seconds and turn off. The keyboard and mouse are now paired with your computer using the USB receiver. You are now ready to use your keyboard and mouse. Now let's look at pairing your keyboard and mouse using Bluetooth. On your computer, open the Bluetooth and other devices window. Turn on the Bluetooth if it's turned off. When you turn on the keyboard and mouse, if the USB receiver is not detected, you can connect it through Bluetooth. It is recommended to use Dell Pair to pair your keyboard and mouse if it's pre-installed on your computer. To pair your device using Dell Pair, press the Connection Mode button for 3 seconds on your mouse until Connection Mode LED 2 turns on. Connection Mode LED 2 will blink for 3 minutes while trying to pair. The Let's Set Up Your Dell Mouse window appears. Click Pair to confirm the pairing process. Follow similar steps for pairing your keyboard with your computer. If your computer is not pre-installed with Dell Pair, pair your keyboard and mouse using Swift Pair. Ensure that the Show Notifications to Connect using Swift Pair box is selected. Initiate the same pairing process as in Dell Pair by pressing and holding the Connection Mode button. The New Dell MS355 Found window appears. Click Connect to confirm the pairing process. Follow similar steps for pairing your keyboard with your computer. If the mouse was not detected automatically using Bluetooth, select Start, Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Add Device, Bluetooth, and select Dell MS355, and then click Done. Confirm the pairing process on both the mouse and your computer. Then follow similar steps for pairing your keyboard with your computer. Now that you've set up your keyboard, you can use the built-in Copilot key with Windows 11 supported devices to quickly access Copilot in Windows. You can also customize the keyboard and mouse using the Dell Peripheral Manager. To download and install the latest version, go to dell.com/support/DPEM and follow the on-screen instructions. Please note, the user interface may vary with different software versions. Within Dell Peripheral Manager, you can update your keyboard firmware to the latest version, adjust the sensitivity of your mouse, and apply the left or right-handed ambidextrous use on the mouse, as well as assign custom actions to the 18 programmable keys on the keyboard. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/support.